What a great morning. Hello guys, good morning. I'm Wency Mark Samaniego. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bel Air East kung saan located ang aming RFO na New York. Tara, tignan natin si New York. Guys, si New York meron tong 126 square meter lot area and meron itong 130 na floor area. And ang maganda dito po is kapag nag-turnover kami, grabe yung quality. Meron kaming kulay nito, kulay yellow at saka itong gray na to, no? And then makikita mo dito, as a position here, naka-morning sun ito guys, no? So morning dito, nakatatpar sa east. And in this area po, kaagawa lang nito, anytime pwede ka na mag-book in.